Hi, I'm Kristen from One Focus Property Management, and today I have a real treat for you. I am at 255 Rawle Street, located in Montoursville. This is a really cute single-family home that has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and country charm for days. So, let me blow your hair back. Let me have you clutch those pearls, have a seat, because I'm gonna blow your minds with all the great things this place has to offer. So we're just starting the tour outside because I want you to see we are in the country. But let me clue you in here. If you're not familiar with the area, you are so close to everything, but just far enough away that the worst thing you're gonna have is a neighbor's cute little dog over there barking. And honestly, it's the cutest thing ever. So coming right into the house, I'm gonna turn some lights and stuff on in here so you can take a look. This place is just not short on charm at all. I am absolutely in love with all of it. Look how great this is. This whole downstairs area is just open wide, right into the kitchen. Everything has like a cozy, comfy feel. There's a laundry room located on the first floor. You've got some closet storage space in here, plus a light in the closet, which by the way, if you don't have them, you need them. It's something I never knew I needed, but now that I have one, I do. Got a back entrance right to the yard here. Plenty of space for entertaining. How great is this? So coming here, you've got this first room here. Nice little closet there. Plenty of room for a queen size bed in here. Little porthole window. You're gonna go right back here. You've got a great room back here. I'm loving the beam. That's like such a cute feature. Also, y'all, closet and some more closet. Fantastic. We're gonna come right into the bathroom. You've got this nice, like, it's almost like a dusty rose color, but tan too. Linen closet. And then you're gonna come right in here. You've got your vanity. Obviously our little fan here needs a little bit of work and touch up from our expert maintenance staff. And we're gonna go right upstairs. Oh my gosh. Big storage cabinet. You've got a room up here, a closet. You've got this cute loft area. You've got a built-in here. And then you've got some closet storage here. I'm loving the loft area. You get a little light in here. Nice little bonus area to be able to do kind of whatever you want. So, what do you think? This place is not short on charm. It's not short on space. And it gets you out into the country, but close enough that you're close to grocery stores and shopping and whatever else you need. So, what do you have to do to make this place the next place you'll call home? Well, you're going to go to www.onefocuspm.com. You can also call us at 570-505-3347. We hope to hear from you today.